Today, we came to join a conference arranged by University of Aizu Joint Research Forum 2025. This is the poster of this conference. There are many industry people came here. Agentic AI, physical AI, and cloud computing, large language model, and the IEEE student branch also many. This is the auditorium. We are going now the conference hall room. We can see there are many posters here from Research Collection Center. So we are going to the program hall room. Finally we came to the hall room. Start from the Nazmul Sun paper. This paper state stack CNN based multimodal attention network for the Alzheimer disease detection. We know the Alzheimer is the major problem in the world. Nazmul Sun said here, Japan Hiroshima region found 50% of individual face this kind of the problem. So he proposed the special kind of the convolutional neural network. Its name is the lightweight stack convolutional neural network with a channel attention network or MRI based Alzheimer disease detection. This is the main working diagram. So this actually was the new file. Then he converted into the different axis, axial, sagittal, and the coronal, and then he applied the this stock CNN 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4, 5 convolutional block. This for why is said it's a stack convolutional neural network, and this is the classification module here, and we can see the performance. The second work. This is called the multimodal attention enhanced feature fusion based weakly supervised anomaly violence detection. So this is the input video. So we can see this person have the gun. Huh? This title is turning free personalization of LLM with interpretable persona vectors and evolutionary research. This is the Pike Sensei work. So vector compiler winning generator LLM length parity judge LLM JSON and Wilson aggregate. So this title is transfer learning based NBS perceptual quality assessment. This is the Lu Shiho whose lab. No lab maybe the Nobel View synthesis. NBS reconstructs scene geometry and appearance from the limited observation and has become foundational to multimedia through recent advances in neural rendering. The rapid growth of the immersive media and the interactive applications has created a strong demand for realistic 3D data. However, acquiring accurate 3D data before often requires a special equipment leader. Leader is one kind of the special device to collect the data set, making the process both expensive, time, and consuming. So these are available in our country. So this is called the Lego object and also the drums. So Lego in our country it's called the Bigu. And this is the video, the leader, and it can the example of the general process of the NBS model given a series of 2D images. NBS reconstruct a 3D scene and synthesize the arbitrary novel view. Personalized experience. Kintsugi art exploration supported by 3D computer modeling, digital fabrication, and the virtualization. This said, background kintsugi and the cross-cultural link. Kintsugi traditional Japanese technique. Transformative repair broken ceramics using the unusual lacquer and fused with the precious metal known the 15th century. Broader sense, kintsugi can be considered as one of the remarkable manifestation of wabi sabi. Nothing is perfect, nothing is finished, and nothing lasts forever. Wasabi sabi. Wasabi sabi desu ka?
Wabi sabi?
Wabi sabi.
Wabi sabi is more like a concept.
わかりました。Still this time.
Yes. So this is the idea that, of course, these are not exact clones, just to show.
Perceptual experience of the Kansas art exploration supported by 3D computer modeling, digital fabrication, visualization.
So it is connected to the meaning. So though Japanese is not very tonal language, but there are many situations.
This is the mental problem finger produced by the royal dilation. Okay.
When I started learning
3D. Okay. Using organizing considering the exhibition and then what's the position using a small part executing and etc.
good model to understand. That's why sometimes after reading the book, say it to
This is for harm detection.
Increase awareness of alcohol effect using the VR simulation. So VR to reduce the stress, support physical rehabilitation, improve attention recovery, additionally simulating disease symptoms to raise public awareness and empathy. Is there a study evaluation? Does VR simulated alcohol intoxication affect perceived personal health? ITB University Aizu student bronze student highlight of our activity design interdisciplinary research forum poster session last year, right? Sustainable AI system through the distributed learning energy optimization, a spiking neural network. They say the spiking neural networks utilize biologically inspired spikes for energy efficient communication and the computation. Distributed learning trains multiple models and then merges into one model. Carbon neutral computing covers SN energy consumption by the harvested energy sources, solar energy. The amount of the energy harvested fluctuates by whether it is redundancy. Achieve carbon neutrality in each model. Use node of distributed learning while minimizing performance loss. Node N1, Node N9, Node N mods, Node N serve wireless CPU system bus peripheral memory, energy harvesting, and energy optimization through DRAM, whether battery energy efficient, and the reference. It said heat Visana new tool for 3D analysis and the visualization, thermal infrared data in heat for the high here. They propose a 3D software tools for the thermophysical analysis, the thermal infrared. And from Visana, thermal analysis you cannot directly use the raw image data. Auto AI cluster presentations on artificial intelligence evolving the toward automated science and data economic systems. Scientific agents progress from the tool scientific automatic hypothesis generation, experimentation, and the interpretation. Data agent follow a multi-level hierarchy advancing from human-assisted data management to self-assisted and the generative systems. Both paradigms aim for the autonomous reasoning, transparency, and the responsible governance. Together, they represent converging path toward unified ecosystems where scientific agent formulate hypotheses and the data agent manage data forming a closed intelligent flow for scientific discovery and knowledge creation. Agentic AI system that autonomously perform tasks by the assigning or follow with the available tools, short-term memory, long-term memory, calculate current reflections, and agent system collaborate integrate multiple agent that work together to achieve common goal. Quidball Scholarly OpenAI Codex ONSERF for generative execution. Some currently available AI tools for literature search. LL system automation scientific task ranging from hypothesis generation and experiment design to simulation and report writing. 11 AI as tools, sample and statistic facilitated research code generation. It's a direct human supervision. AI as analyst, goal-oriented reasoning, statistical analysis, model discovery, TC written, reduce human interaction. AI as scientist, multi-stage investigation, hypothesis generation into in research cycles, minimal human hours on site. Evaluation of AI for science as a computable oracle. Level 1 as an automated research assistant. Level 2 partial design discovery. AI as an autonomous scientific partner. Level 3 follows into discovery and is generative architect. From computational tools to creative collaborator, the 4-level AI evaluation science. Scientific data is anti-covering autonomous reasoning driven computer scientist is to focus on hypothesis driven discovery data is focus on scientific reasoning data life cycle LM system performing data management preparation and analysis with the minimum human intervention relevant data assistance. Human convert users natural language query in SQL. Partial autonomous future direction, future vision, autonomous AI research economic system, higher scientific and data as collaboration, scientific as okay, research and 3D geological map construction method using the related space exploration technique. Lunar planet exploration or set space exploration technology aims to establish a method for the 3D geological mapping using the rubber data acquiring through the communication operation environmental expected acceleration related. So, このスペースは福島。
福島、はい、福島ロボットテストフィールド。
ルナーみたい？
あ、いえ、
同じ？
実はです。
OK。そう、この車みたいだな。車みたい？
あ、車。This is rover.
Robot.
Yes, robot rover.
Spectra camera.
Yes.
3 LiDAR。これもカメラ。Spectroscopic camera, LiDAR and the visual camera. いいですね。
カメラ、イメージカメラ。
いいですね。
ファーストターゲット。
Okay. And data fusion map, later camera. Okay. Oh. Leo Sam, thirdly couple LiDAR interpreter.
Mapping technique.
Accent methods, enhancing aviation communication intelligence. Concept. Zail to one request push back. Second Zail 231 negative. Request push back. Copy that Zail and push back approved.
就发了一篇，还是再发2篇，还是再发一篇期刊，一篇会。
这个是发的会哦。
这个发的 conference， 然后应该今天把香果做出来了，估计马上可以再发一篇。终于今天早上才刚刚把那个就是转换的。来下学校是没问题，但不能学习。
The history of the Sherlock Holmes made Siokowski the manuscript the Siokowski sentence along drama perspective of musical of the language of the computational study. Letter of the Sita despite the existence of a few important scholarly studies of the mind expressed by the philosopher the work is still available. Many people 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16.
Now, so to start.